Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Nokia 3.4 to launch in India in a mid-December. HMD announced the Nokia 2.4 and 3.4 back in September. The Nokia 2.4 debuted in India last week. And a new reported by the Nokia Power claimed that the 3.4 Nokia will arrive in country in mid-December. The publication further claimed that the base variant of the Nokia 3.4 with 3 gigs of RAM will be priced at around $160 and will be released by the end of December this year. The Nokia 3.4 is powered by the Snapdragon 460 SoC, runs the Android 10 out of the box and has 3 memory configuration: 3 gigs with 32 gigs, 3 gigs with 64 gigs and 4 gigs 64 gigabytes. It's back 6.39-inch HD plus LCD that has a punch hole in the upper left corner, as you can see in this picture, for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. Around the back you will get a fingerprint reader keeping company to the triple camera setup, which is combination of 13 megapixel primary, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel deep sensor unit. The Nokia 3.4 come with a 4000 mAh battery that charge up to 10 volt through a USB type C port. So this is another report about the upcoming and new Nokia phone surface on a TENAA website after the FCC listing of 2 upcoming Nokia smartphones from yesterday. We now have a TENAA listing with the unnamed Nokia device that the model number is TA1335, which is suspiciously close to the TA1333 model number of the FCC handset. However, early findings suggest that the 2 phones have a little in common. While the TA1333 has come a similarity with the Nokia 3.4, the TA1335 from TENAA is clearly closer to the Nokia C3. It is a budget device reportedly aimed to the Chinese yuan 1000 to 2000 make segment, but closer to the lower end of the market. The filing revealed a handset with a quad-core CPU, 2 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes expandable internal storage and 2500 mAh battery. The camera configuration include a 8 megapixel main and 8 megapixel front-facing camera, both accompanied by LED flash. It's going to be a rather small device. Tipping the scale is just 122 grams. The spec sheet also mentioned a 3.5mm audio jack and a fingerprint reader, although the provided images don't show the latter. So this is the booth news about the upcoming Nokia smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like the Nokia smartphone, and make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye.